we have here is a box of Domino sugar. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because something has happened. I've been using this sugar for years, and I just noticed that, well, now, some of the sugar packets don't have as much sugar as other sugar packets. I'll take this packet, for instance. It's practically no sugar in here. So you can feel it there. This sugar packet has a lot of sugar. Now, I don't know what's going on. They're having, I don't know, here it says each packet, and they just came out with a new box, and which has less overall sugar, but not much less. So what I'm going to do in this video is just demonstrate how some sugar packets have more sugar than others. I would like to think that even though some sugar packets have more sugar than others, the overall amount in the box is the same. Because some sugar packets, I think, have more sugar than they're supposed to, and some sugar packets have less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up and pour them onto the plate, and you'll see how there's more sugar in some than in others. I've only got one hand here. Hold on. That's the sugar, that's the amount of sugar. It's more sugar. Looks, okay, so that's the amount of sugar in this sugar packet. Now I'm going to open up this sugar packet. Hold on. Substantially larger amount. That's from one sugar packet, that's from another sugar. So you can see that some sugar packets have more sugar than others. So why? I don't know. I guess there's something wrong with the machines or something that fill them up. But I would like to think that even though some sugar packets have more sugar than others, I would like to think that the overall amount of sugar you get is 354 grams. Although they just came out with a new box, and I think you only get 350 grams. Matter of fact, I'm going to go and get the box. Hold on. Well, take the camera with me. This is the new box. The latest and greatest. I'm gonna make a video about this is the latest and greatest box here. 354. See? Okay, so see here, 350.54 grams. 3.5 grams. 354 grams total. 350 grams total. So they're giving you a little less overall. $350. So this is the new box. I haven't opened it yet. One thing that they have on the new box that they don't have on the old box is a phone number that you can call if there's a problem. I might call them and tell them about this. You see the number? They used to have that on the box that came before this, and then on this box they don't have that. They have the Suite to Connect, and then they have all these things, but they don't have the phone number. Oh, there's your sugar. What is that? A mice dropping, except I don't have any mice. What is? It's a piece of wood or something. That's gross. Anyway, that's your sugar.